Good morning, children. Today we start our new work in our Crafty Squash Color Shower book. For today's work, you have to take Crafty Squash Color Shower book. With that, you have to take like this one cutter, then a pencil, then A4 sheet. You have to take all these things and open page number 16 and write first today's date here. Write down today's date here. First we will go through on this paper. Next we will move to the next sheet. Here what they given? They given here fish paper cutting activity. They are asking that you have to take one A4 sheet and you have to do the paper cutting. Whatever paper cutting they given like this. Then what you have to do? You have to paste this one nearer in a whatever space they given here. Okay. Now what you have to do? Before paste that one here, what you have to do? You have to take some crayon like a dark blue or a light blue, in this any one color crayon you have to take and do color for the full background. Okay children, first what you have to do, you have to take a one dark blue or a light blue in this any one color crayon and do color for the full page, whatever page they given. Before do the color, you have to write down here also date. Okay, here also you should write down the date. Now what we have to do? After coloring, what we have to do? We have to take a A4 sheet, whatever A4 sheet we have now, we have to take that one. On this, you have to draw a fish, whatever the fish they given, that fish you have to draw very lightly. See children, here already I did this fish. Once again I will show here. Okay, just observe. For your sake, I am doing the lines dark, but when you are doing, you have to do it very lightly. It is visible only for you, like that you should draw. Now what you have to do, you have to start to cut however they cutted the lines here in this page now, like that. Cut the mouthpiece and remove that paper. Next here, whatever the cutting they given, that also you have to do. Let's come to here. See children, like this you have to cut this one. Same like that here in the 3 parts you have to do. See here 1 and here 2. These 2 also like this. However, I shown now here. Same like that you have to do. Then once you complete this portion like that in the remaining place, then what you have to do? You have to go to the fins. How you have to do that? I will show just. If you are not able to do it properly, means just you have to draw like this. Because it is easy for you to cut. But when you are doing the line of children, you have to be careful. You should draw very lightly. It should visible only for you like that you should draw. If I do like that very lightly means you can't see. That's why I am doing dark. If you do dark, what will happen? You will see the lines on the paper also. Okay, for that reason you have to draw lightly. After that, like this you have to cut. Then you should do like this children. Okay, like this you have to do. After this, once you complete this one, what you have to do children? You have to take a measurement of this sheet according to your face and you have to cut that one. Okay, then where you have to put the Fevicol? You have to put the Fevicol at the edge here. Then you have to stick this one first. After pasting here, you have to put the Fevicol in this edge and just you have to keep like your paper like this. Then you have to stick that one. Okay children, like this you have to stick. Is it clear children? Okay, here first you have to paste. At the back side you have to put the Fevicol and you have to paste here like this. After that you have to put the Fevicol. Just you have to do like this little up. Then you have to paste it. Okay children. Then here anyhow at the back side you will do the blue color. Okay, if that time you can see that the fish is inside the water. You can see like that. Okay children. Now one more thing children, while doing the work, if you have any doubt you can call me at any time and clarify your doubt children. And while using the cutter, be careful. Take your parents' help to do this work, because sometime if the cutter will sharp means your fingers will be cut or somewhere you will keep, and without seeing that if you keep your hand will also cut. So for that reason, while doing the work, be careful children. Okay, thank you.